Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to your English class, and today we are starting with a new chapter, lesson number 13 in English grammar. So you can open your grammar books, page number 47, lesson 13, verbs. In this chapter, we will revise verbs and we'll also learn its different forms. Now children, you already know what are verbs. Verbs होते हैं action verbs, action words. जो action होता है sentence में, they are verbs or doing words. So words express actions. Like in this sentence, Bobby studies the map. Action क्या हो रहा है? Studies. He is studying. That is the action taking place. In this example, Emilio caught the ball. What is the action? Catching the ball is the action. So caught, past tense of catch. He caught the ball. Caught is the action which is taking place. Sometimes verbs do not express an action which is taking place. They express a state of being. कभी कभी verbs एक state of being, होना, a state of being मतलब just होना, उसको express करता है. जैसे Jamie was curious. Was is a form of be. It's a form of being. Be का form है वो. Just like I am a girl. So what is the verb in this? Am. She is a girl. In this again the verb is. Right? So these are some linking verbs which are also there, which are also verbs, but they are not action words. वो action नहीं दिखा रहे हैं, but it just shows a state of being कि आप हो, whatever you are, you're curious or you're a girl. Another example of state of being verb which shows state of being is this: football can be dangerous. Now what is the action in this? Football is the noun, the subject of the sentence. Can be. Can be. It's a state of being. Be के साथ can is the another linking verb which is used. So can be dangerous. So can be is the verb. There can be more than two words as verbs in a sentence. There are various forms of be, just like you saw the examples. There are other forms of be also. Be changes forms, like it takes the form of am sometimes, is, are, was, were. Sometimes it comes as be only, being, been, has, have, had, will be, has been, just like you saw in the last example. There can be two words together, like will be, has been, had been, ऐसे. तो कभी कभी दो एक साथ words भी express करते हैं state of being. See these examples. I am. In this sentence, the verb is am. He, she या it के साथ आएगा is. You, they, we. उनके साथ क्या आएगा? आर. सेकेंड पर्सन के साथ आर या प्लूरल के साथ आर आएगा. सम मोर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ एक्शन वर्ब्स और वर्ब्स ऑफ बीइंग. द हॉट डॉग loves hot dogs. What is the verb in the above sentence? Loves. The hot dog loves hot dogs. So loves is the verb in the sentence. Now in this sentence, Terry is an amazing golfer. What is the verb? Yes. You got it right. Is the verb in the sentence. It's a state of being. So today children, you have learned that some verbs are not action words. They are called being or linking verbs. These being or linking verbs are the most common which you will do in your book in this exercise, in this chapter They are am, is, are, was and were, be, being, been. ये सबसे simple examples हैं of verbs which are linking verbs or being verbs. Now there is another type of verb. Sometimes verbs are used in this form also to show possession. When the verb is showing possession, it takes the form of these words: have, own, belong, possess. Like, let's take the example, I have a car. In this, have shows ki this car is mine, right? This sentence is correct, but if I say I am having a car, it is a wrong sentence because for possession ing verbs में कभी नहीं आता. Verbs में हम ing use नहीं कर सकते हैं when it shows a possession. So we will try to understand the difference between verbs which show possession or words which show state of being or some which are action words in this chapter.